Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast dedicated to unraveling the complex tapestry of technology that is transforming our world. Today, we stand on the precipice of an astonishing era where the confluence of biotechnology and computational genius is reshaping our understanding of health and longevity. In this episode, we explore the groundbreaking intersection between AI and gene therapy, a union that harbors the potential to not only extend lifespan, but enhance the quality of life as we age. Join us as we delve into the revolutionary realm where cutting-edge science meets the digital dawn, illuminating the potential of gene therapy to decelerate the aging process and redefine human health. So, whether you're a seasoned professional in the tech industry, a biotech enthusiast, or simply curious about the future of health and artificial intelligence, this episode promises to enlighten and inspire. Stay tuned as we embark on this journey, discovering the remarkable innovations at the frontier of life extension and AI. At the heart of longevity, science is the quest to decelerate the aging process, and perhaps one of the most promising avenues of research in this domain is longevity gene therapy. By targeting specific genes associated with aging, scientists aim to extend life and, more importantly, to enhance the quality of life as we age. Let's unpack the role of pivotal genes that have sparked intrigue and investment in the field. The TERT gene, known for encoding the telomerase reverse transcriptase enzyme, plays an essential role in maintaining telomeres, the protective caps of our chromosomes that tend to shorten as we age. It's the cellular equivalent of preventing the fraying of shoelace tips, with the potential to maintain cellular health for a longer period. Overexpression of TERT has shown promise in model organisms, offering a glimpse into a future where we could delay the onset of aging at a cellular level. Next, we turn our focus to Klotho, a gene whose protein product has sweeping implications for the aging process. Klotho protein acts as a hormonal regulator and has been linked to various protective effects against age-related diseases, potentially functioning as a guardian against the deterioration that comes with time. And we must discuss myostatin, a gene entrenched in the regulation of muscle growth. With age, muscle mass naturally declines, weakening our physical capabilities. Inhibiting myostatin could serve as a countermeasure, potentially preserving muscle strength and mass, and granting us more robust physical health as we age. Understanding the mechanisms and influence of these genes opens the door to revolutionary treatments. While the excitement around these genetic factors is palpable, we remain in the nascent stages of fully appreciating and applying longevity gene therapies. As research progresses, the fusion of this knowledge with clinical applications could redefine aging and human health span, offering a future where our twilight years are as vibrant as our youth. In the bold new world of longevity gene therapy, a few companies are pioneering the race towards extending human life. At the forefront, Bioviva stands out as a trailblazer. The company has been unreservedly vocal in championing its gene therapy techniques aimed at decelerating the aging process. It's important to note, however, that while Bioviva has produced some compelling data from animal studies, the human clinical data, which is pivotal in affirming their claims, remains scant. This has not dampened their spirit. Instead, it has cast a spotlight on the necessity to approach their assertions with a critical eye. Moving on, we also have Libella and Minicircle, who are making strides in the same direction but meet similar obstacles. These companies venture into the realm of longevity gene therapy with the promise of groundbreaking treatments. Yet, the challenges they encounter are not insignificant. Addressing the efficacy and safety of their interventions remain their Sisyphean tasks. Proof, in the form of comprehensive human clinical data, is still needed to substantiate their claims. Without this, the therapies remain in the experimental stage, unable to cross the chasm to become mainstream medical practices. The hurdle these companies face is not merely scientific. It is also a matter of public trust. The paucity of peer-reviewed studies and the lack of transparency can make it difficult for the public and the scientific community at large to gauge the legitimacy and potential of such interventions. Moreover, the complexity of aging as a biological process means that the journey from promising preclinical findings to safe, efficacious human treatments is fraught with uncertainty. As we look at these pioneers, we must ask ourselves critical questions. Are we moving too fast? Or are the delays in translation to human therapies a natural and necessary aspect of rigorous scientific verification? The stance of these companies in the vanguard of longevity gene therapy is, without doubt, revolutionary. But the true test will be in the long-term outcomes of their therapies and in their ability to address the intricate questions of safety and efficacy that their work provokes. In today's technological pursuit of longevity, we're faced with a juxtaposition of ethics and access, where the conversation is swayed by those who hold the reins of innovation. The visionaries at the helm, like Liz Parrish of Bioviva and Brian Johnson, are pioneering the longevity frontier, yet their voices dominate public discourse. There is a lurking concern. Could their perspectives be inherently inclined to advocate for their own breakthroughs? The pressing ethical quandaries hinge on who gets to benefit from these advancements and at what cost. Accessibility remains a focal point of debate. Longevity should not be a luxury for a select few, but a universal option, available across socioeconomic divides. The urgency for informed consent is paramount, for patients must fully understand the potential risks and implications of these cutting-edge therapies. Beyond the glossy facade of marketing and the echo chambers of industry insiders lies a public discourse that's yet to mature. Platforms like Reddit and Twitter are often frenzied with discussions on breakthrough technologies, yet they seem conspicuously quiet on longevity gene therapy. This speaks volumes about the current need for unbiased dialogues and independent analyses. This disparity between industry-led narratives and public conversation underscores the importance of increased transparency and robust, peer-reviewed research. Only through open sharing of data and rigorous examination can we hope to build credibility and foster informed decisions. As we venture into these uncharted territories, the ethical compass must guide our path, ensuring that the breakthroughs are not just feats of science, but also beacons of social responsibility. How we approach these topics today will set the precedent for tomorrow's norms in the expanding nexus of longevity gene therapy. Artificial intelligence, or AI, in the realm of longevity gene therapy is akin to enabling a maestro to orchestrate a symphony of biological insights. Machine learning algorithms represent the virtuosos that decipher the complexities of our genetic fabric. Through AI, we can mine vast genomics data, proteomics profiles, and metabolomics landscapes to identify promising new avenues for therapy. The potential here is not just about identifying targets, but also about predicting the outcomes of genetic modifications. AI's predictive capabilities help us anticipate the influences of genetic interventions, enabling us to tailor treatments that are personalized, precise, and, above all, safe. The key lies in AI's extraordinary ability to simulate the effects of gene editing or modulation even before a single cell is touched in clinical practice. Picture this: a future where AI-driven platforms stand at the vanguard of medicine, facilitating gene therapy that's meticulously adapted to an individual's genetic makeup. This not only minimizes the risks associated with therapy, but maximizes efficacy. By fast-tracking the research pipeline from theoretical to therapeutic, AI is set to revolutionize longevity gene therapy, shifting paradigms from one-size-fits-all to treatments as unique as the DNA they seek to transform. Indeed, the synergy between artificial intelligence and longevity gene therapy is accelerating our journey towards extended health span. By harnessing computational power, we are not just inching closer to conquering the vicissitudes of aging, but we are reshaping the future of medicine in a manner that's inclusive, innovative, and in alignment with the nuanced complexities of human biology. As we navigate through the uncharted waters of longevity gene therapy, the path forward is lined with necessary steps that must be taken to shift from experimental treatments to widely accepted medical practices. At the core of this transition are human clinical trials. These trials represent the gold standard in medical research, providing the framework for evaluating the safety and efficacy of new treatments. It is only through rigorous and peer-reviewed clinical trials that the therapeutic potential of gene therapy can be objectively assessed. Data transparency is another pillar in building the future of longevity gene therapies. Sharing research findings and clinical results openly not only fosters trust within the scientific community, but also empowers independent verification of results, a process vital to scientific progress. This transparency is the bedrock upon which peer-reviewed publications are founded, enabling the critical scrutiny that separates substantiated science from speculative claims. Lastly, robust regulatory frameworks are indispensable. Navigating the ethical and regulatory landscapes is akin to steering through a complex maze where every turn presents unique ethical considerations and safety concerns. Regulators must balance innovation with individuals' welfare, ensuring that advancements are not made at the expense of patient safety or ethical integrity. Regulatory frameworks should mandate that longevity gene therapies not only undergo the same rigorous testing as traditional therapies, but also face scrutiny regarding their long-term implications and ethical soundness. In conclusion, the promise of longevity gene therapy rests on a multidisciplinary effort. By embracing the pillars of robust human clinical trials, unwavering transparency, and dynamic regulatory frameworks, we can ensure that the march towards extending the human health span is taken with measured, ethical, and scientifically backed strides. As we reach the conclusion of today's episode, we are left with a profound sense of the possibilities that lay at the nexus of longevity gene therapy and artificial intelligence. The promise held within these scientific frontiers is nothing short of revolutionary, heralding a future where extended health span and lifespan could become tangible realities. However, the onus is on us, as a society, to navigate these advancements with a conscientious and nuanced approach. A symphony of efforts, from researchers and scientists, ethicists and regulators, to the engaged public, must harmonize to ensure that such therapies are not only effective, but are developed and deployed with the utmost ethical consideration and societal benefit in mind. It is a journey marked by challenges and complex questions, yet it is one that also offers incredible hope for the future of human health and longevity. Thank you for tuning into AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence. Join us again as we continue to explore the dynamic world of AI and its profound impact on our lives. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and stay intrigued by the wonders of artificial intelligence.